Hi guys, today I'll be playing Gary's mod. What the flip? I'm in the ground. So,
right now he's in the ground.
Right now, I got me on the Infinity Gauntlet, as you can see. You press R to bring up this. I'm going to have to go into my mind zone. I'm going to left click. I'm going to phase.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Wait, okay, I saw something purple. What is that? What the? Stop. That's weird.
And my character is Thanos. Said hush, Ethan. You said.
I just wanted to copy you.
What the?
What? Huh? No need to see that. Okay, do I need this engine right now? I'll grab this engine.
Yeah, you have to go into the basement.
I know.
And go behind the stairs.
I know. I know.
Bruh.
What? What?
Look.
Oh my, that is weird, I know.
So, what I'm gonna do... So, what I'm gonna do is go into my Infinity. Universal Law.
So I'm in the
New
basement.
law name. Okay, never mind.
What?
Direct law is like another, you have to make a law with so much stuff.
Oh, come
So
on.
I'm gonna go into entities. Oh yeah, and also I have an empty Infinity Gauntlet. Yeah, sorry if there's lag. Okay.
Jeez.
Yeah, that's called lag. See, look at my arm. Oh, never mind. It's just in my face.
How is the
Guess what? I'm gonna stop punching. Because I am destroying my game.
Very, very bad.
Holy.
Oh, I need that other shotgun piece. I swear, if Granny is back, I wouldn't be mad.
She ain't coming back. That's the whole point of practice.
You don't know. Oh. How? Where did I put that shotgun piece?
Bro, I gotta go. Even though I can't see a thing.
Hang on, bro. How'd you get that Star Wars thing and that, Donald Trump thing?
Give me a sec, Ethan.
I need the weapon key, come on. That is hard to find.
Okay, here we go.
I don't even need a piece of painting.
That's better.
Car
So I'm gonna go to
battery.
NPCs. Combined.
Car battery.
Human. Next.
I'm playing Granny right
Oh no,
now.
Trump doesn't know this map. Do you want?
Oh, you're dead now. Go ahead. He's gonna kill you, dude.
No, he's studying the map.
He's what?
Studying the map.
What does that mean?
He doesn't know this map.
Well, that made no seriously sense.
And plus, Powerballs are the way to
Kill people.
kill the NPCs.
Yes, that are very, very tough.
And plus, I'm just spawning these.
You're dead now.
Cause
Where do you put the engine?
I'm very bored and there's nothing to do except spawn tons and tons of whatever.
I need that.
Yes, sir. Coming.
We gotta go real quick, so come on, kid.
I'm going.
Yes, sir. I need that shotgun piece.
Please tell me none of the PCs moved. Oh, God.
What are you doing? Oh, you're making them all float.
Oh, God, that's disgusting.
That is disgusting. That is disgusting. How many keys do I need?
Like over 50.
And not even know that. You're dead. Who killed you, Donald?
Donald!
Told you. Dang, Donald. I told you he'd kill you all the time. You didn't listen. Why'd you delete Donald?
He killed me.
So what? Donald's funny.
I need that Infinity Gauntlet back. but empty. So this is an empty infinity gauntlet. I'm about to go around town hiding these.
Well, then you'll know where they are.
Plus, I have no clue where I'm gonna hide these.
No, I need the bottom piece. And where's that? Okay, then.
Oh yeah, and guys, if y'all haven't subscribed and hit that bell, make sure you do that
Right now.
right now or after this video.
2, 1.
What are you doing?
If you didn't hit that subscribe button, you did not win. Usually Unspeakable would say that.
Hey, guess what? I'm Unspeakable number 2, not Unspeakable Gaming.
Or Unspeakable.
Nope, you can't spawn one on the roof. Hello. What the flip? Good lord. I'm having no clue.
What to do?
Just to make sure I already have that. Well, that was just crap. I have to deal with it. Okay, I guess this is the last floor. Then
I need that crossbow.
yeah, sometimes it's hard to get the
Crossbow.
yes. Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
Dan, where do you put the special key?
The special key, go to the attic.
Okay, going there.
Then
Not done.
come down here.
I'll tell you where I'm there.
Okay, so I hit all the stones in this one building. I might not even just... Oh, wait. I still need to go down. Okay.
I'm struggling to find it.
So, I've hid all the infinity stones in this one building.
Are you sure that's the building right beside you?
Oh, come on! Oh, like, this could ruin a freaking... Okay. Alright, I'm about to go in and find all the infinity stones.
So I'm in the
You scooch...
Kato,
Scoochy over.
where's the lock to it? I'm in the basement.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh.
I
I don't see it. Where do I put it? I put it right here, Kaden.
Where? No.
Where?
That's the basement, not the attic.
Where's the attic?
The upstairs.
Hmm.
Remember where I went to,
Hide?
like, you know, where she comes up?
This way? Because the stairs up.
Just keep going. About to lose my marbles. Oh, please tell me they're not all despawning. Because if they are, then this is crap. How do I not know where I placed the infinity stone?
Okay, that's 3. Did you know you can wormhole once you get the blue one?
I know.
But you'll teleport far
I literally
away.
placed these down, and I don't know where they are.
I know. But don't teleport because then you'll probably go far, far away. Dude, that's 2 reds.
I need 2 more.
I can't believe you placed them all and you don't know where they are. Do not use the wormhole because you might go far, far away from that house. Finally. Just grab one.
Yeah, so this is the
Dude, do world surrender.
No.
Yes.
I still have...
All of them.